Friends, every Sunday at 9:30 p.m., we are conducting free COSMO Career Workshop. I am Dr. Anil Nirale, MCH, MS, Cosmetic and Plastic Surgery. Since 1991, I am practicing cosmetology, cosmetic surgery, and lasers. And in this workshop, you will know how to choose cosmetology training institute. Second thing is, what is fixed protocol for cosmetology? Third, what is variable protocol for cosmetology? And how to implement it safely in your practice. I get hundreds of students who tell me that they have done cosmetology from an institute and later on they came to know that the institute was headed only by beautician. And when I asked them, why did you join there? They said, we were promised that they will give cosmetology government recognized certificate, and in the end, all lies. At the same time, you will come across with students who have done cosmetology training on the promise of internationally recognized certificate or certificate having logo, 3-lion logo of Indian government, my government, Niti Aayog, MSME, then Mahan, Mera Desh Mahan, Gandhiji's spectacle, all those logos will be shown on your certificate. Do you think you can fool patients with these logos? Would you like your parents' hard money to be wasted on purchasing such fake certificates? Some international organization headed by one person in Texas, USA, and you get that I and A and whatnot certificate of that particular organization, which is not at all valid. Then, where do you stand? Tomorrow, if anything happens to you, who is going to come and save you? If your protocol goes wrong, will your teacher help you? Who is your teacher in such institute? Either beautician or number 2, physiotherapist. The physiotherapist doesn't write anything about his degree qualification. He just writes professor. Then he writes doctor and his name. But that's all. How can you get fooled? Okay, suppose you get fooled, no problem. Don't at least fool your friends. Don't fool your parents. Don't fool your patients. If you want to know the truth about cosmetology education in India, then you must attend free COSMO Career Workshop every Sunday at 9:30 p.m. You will find the link below in this comment box. Click on that and be a part of genuine, scientifically trained cosmetology. Okay? I, Dr. Anil Nirale, take your leave now, and you are always welcome for your doubt solving sessions. Absolutely anytime. Bye. Take care.